Welcome to 1412 Yorkshire, a custom-built gem located in the highly desirable Centennial Hills subdivision. This impressive home offers over 4,100 square feet of space, combining style, function, and thoughtful design. As you arrive, you're greeted by beautiful curb appeal and mature landscaping that gives this home timeless character. I'm Angela Jue with Remax the Group. Let's step inside to discover soaring ceilings, oversized rooms, and the fresh and inviting look of newer flooring and paint throughout. The heart of the home is a spacious chef-inspired kitchen, featuring quartz countertops, a large island, double oven, and a gas range. Everything you need for daily life and entertaining. The living room offers warmth and comfort with vaulted ceilings, a cozy gas fireplace, and plenty of room for gatherings. You'll appreciate the convenience of main floor laundry, making everyday tasks even easier. The spacious primary suite is a true retreat, with a 5-piece bathroom and an expansive walk-in closet. With 5 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a partially finished basement, ready for your custom vision, this home adapts to your needs now and in the future. The oversized 2-car garage includes space for a workshop, and outside, enjoy a lush yard with mature landscaping and a sprinkler system in the front and back. Location matters, and here you're just steps away from walking trails, close to great schools, and minutes from shopping and everyday conveniences. 1412 Yorkshire isn't just a house, it's a place to call home. Located in the welcoming Centennial Hills neighborhood, this one is ready for you. Schedule your private showing today and see for yourself all that this beautiful home has to offer.